Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time that we did makeup together. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the makeup that I've been wearing lately. It's really nothing fancy and it's really quick and really simple because we still have to wear masks out at all time. Today I'll be showing you guys the makeup that I wear every day to prevent mask acne, which is also called Maskne. So this is like a term that I've been saying on internet. I realized wearing masks can actually cause acne because our face over here will be covered by the mask, and the air that is trapped inside the mask can get very moist or wet like after hours of wearing the mask. So which is why I will try to keep my makeup to the minimum, and I will try my best not to put any makeup around my cheek area because it can't be seen anyway. So yeah, let's get started on today's makeup. Okay, so first I will be prepping my face using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So I'll just squeeze a little bit because I just need the primer to sit under my eye, my forehead, which is not covered by the mask. And my skin condition has been so horrible lately. I have no idea, is it because of the mask or is it because I'm having my period, but my skin condition has been horrible. I have like breakouts over here and it's just been a tough month. Okay, so now I've already primed my face, and for most days I'll be skipping my foundation because I don't see the need of wearing foundation at all because majority of my face will be covered by the mask, and it's really bad for skin as well. So to be honest, I've not used foundation for like 3 or 4 months already. The only face product that I've been reaching out a lot is just my concealer, and I hope that my foundation will not expire before COVID-19 is over. So I will just put like concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is from Maybelline. I will focus the concealer mainly on my under eye because I have really bad dark eye circle, and I'll put a little bit on my nose and around my mouth, on my chin, and also on my brow bone to highlight a little bit. Then I'll just take a really small brush to blend out the product. For areas under my eye, I will just blend out using my finger instead of using the brush because I feel that it gives my skin a more natural finish. Okay, I'm done blending in my concealer, and I just realized I forget to fill in my brows. So I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows using like any eyebrow pencil that you have, and the one that I'm using is from Etude house. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly comb through my brows. So for today's makeup, I'll be using more of cream products than powder products because I feel that they tend to last longer, and without any foundation on my face, I feel that the cream products will actually look more natural compared to powder products. So then I will be using my Canmake. This is their cream cheek blush. Then I will just go in with my finger. Okay, done with my blush, and now I will just quickly go in with my cream highlight. So the cream highlight that I'm using is from Colourpop. I'll not be adding like too much highlight on my face because I didn't use any foundation and I don't want the highlight to look too blinding. So just a little bit will do. And of course, highlight my nose, also on my forehead. Okay, now I'm done with all the cream products, so I will be setting my face with powder. The powder that I'm using today is from Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. I'm in the shade medium. Okay, then I'll just take a brush. I've not washed my brush in like ages. Okay, so after setting my face with powder, my face is much more matte compared to just now, and I'll just quickly contour my nose using my eyeshadow palette as usual. I will also highlight my inner corner using my eyeshadow palette. Last but not least, I will curl my eyelash using my eyelash curler, but I will not be going in with any mascara on the daily basis because I've been so lazy. Okay, maybe for the purpose of the video, I will add a little bit of eyeshadow on my eyes. So first, I will be going in with the shade Flower Child. Okay, now I will be going in with Smarty Pants to give my eyes a little bit of definition, and slightly closer to my inner eyelid, I will be adding the shade Rebel to add more definition to the eyes. Okay, so that's all for the eyes. And lastly, I will be putting some lip balm. The lip balm that I'm using today is from Kora Organics. I've already done a full review on this product. You can definitely check it out. I will link it over here. Spoolie that I'm using actually from Laneige. This comes with the Laneige Night Sleeping Mask, and I find it to be so useful. Okay, added some lip balm. To finish this look, I will just add a little bit of lipstick. This is the Colourpop's Luxe lipstick, and it looks bad, I know. This is in the shade LA Lady. Instead of applying, I will just dab a little bit on my lips because I didn't use any foundation and I don't want my lips to look too crazy. So if you dab instead of applying, the color will look much more natural. That's all I do on a daily basis for my everyday makeup these days. It's really quick, it's really simple. I don't use any foundation. I don't put a lot of eye makeup as well because I'll be wearing mask and it just turns me off because no matter how much makeup I put, it will not be seen anyway, so I totally don't see the need, and I'm just so lazy to put so much makeup. And of course, the main factor that I don't use so much makeup, especially foundation, is because I don't want to clog my pores, especially like this area of my face, so I'll try to keep it minimal. And it's really important to keep your makeup as simple as possible, especially around this area, because you don't want to clog your pores, especially with the makeup, with the sunblock. It's very difficult for your skin to breathe. So this is the makeup that I'll be wearing for the rest of the year, unless we don't have to wear masks anymore. To have healthier skin, I will just skip the foundation and keep my makeup as simple as possible. So yeah, let me get my hair done and I'll be back ASAP. Okay, so I just throw my hair into a ponytail and I put a pair of shades on my head so that I don't look so round. Okay, wait, before I end today's video, I realized I forgot to set my face. So because I'll be wearing mask, it's really important to keep my skin as hydrated as I can. So on top of the moisturizer that I use, as well as the serum, which is part of my skincare, I will also set my face using the Pixi Glow Mist. So this is a really good mist because it's very hydrating and it adds a glow to my face even though it can't be seen. So I will just finish my makeup with this mist that I've been loving recently, and this is really my second one. You should totally check this out. Okay, anyway, so that concludes today's makeup look. This is the makeup that I've been wearing a lot these days, especially with the mask. So imagine like covering half of my face. This is how I will look if you happen to see me on the street with mask. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions on how to prevent acne while wearing mask, I will try my best to help you as much as I can. And if you have any particular sort of video that you would like to see from me next, just comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!